Dear fellow citizens, I make this sincere appeal on behalf of all the pastors and members of churches in Ukhrul headquarters. None of us wanted this incident to happen. Unexpectedly, it has happened, and everyone is bearing the brunt of the event from the day it happens. We are grieving with the bereaved families in their sorrows, and the CSOs and their presidents are working relentlessly, for which let us be thankful. Many other organizations are also taking up the same efforts sleeplessly, and we are thankful. Those churches and their members, choirs and leaders in the headquarters are also taking sleepless efforts, and offering condolences and gestures of concern are being made day and night, and prayers are being offered. We are truly thankful for that. The young people of Ukhrul are deeply concerned about the present situation and are sincerely seeking truth, correction, and restoration, for which we are thankful. Now, what I want to appeal is that, although events have already taken place, and when asked to follow consensus direction, and not being able to accept the consensus effort is unfavorable, as Christians and place of Christians, we want to settle the matters amicably, peacefully, and in oneness in Christian point of view at the earliest. I want to appeal to the dear young people. This is for your future, not only for about the present problems, but for the long run. As a land of Christ, considering all aspects, not carried away by emotions, but with careful and discreet thinking, let us settle matters in oneness and an amicable way. With utmost sincerity, I make this appeal. For Christians, this week, known as Passion Week, is of great importance. Each church is keeping aside its important programs and is giving devote earnest effort to resolving these issues at the earliest. We cannot go on like this forever. For this, let us place our trust in all the leaders and elders who are giving their best efforts. Let us give our full support to the leaders and elders to whom we have committed to do the best for us. Let us not be like those who do not know God, but act in a unique way that can be exemplary to others. Yes, things have happened, yet let them become beautiful lessons for the future. Where there is wrongdoing, let the one who has wronged come to realization, and the one who is right should forgive and bring about something better for the future. At this crucial juncture, let us not spread unverified rumors. Words are very important, and they can be wrongly used. Let us not post thoughtless material on social media, but with much prayer, let us settle the issues. Finally, let us give room to God. As Christians, let us not do everything according to our own will, but ponder what the will of God is. Let us never say, I will do everything by myself. As Christians, let us not act according to our own will alone, but seek to understand the will of God. Let us give His place. Let us never say, I will do everything on my own. I make this appeal to the public on behalf of the pastors and churches in Ukhrul. From the start, we have been making efforts day and night along with prayers. The public has endorsed and entrusted responsibility to trustworthy people. Let us have faith in them and extend full support to those who have been entrusted. Together with the families in bereavement, we bear this burden and work towards peaceful settlement. This is my gravest and earnest appeal to all. May God bring peace. May you be among those young people who contribute to the peace of the community, praying for all. Amen.